Hello guys, welcome to another video from our Driving TV channel. Here's CDL exam questions and answers on double triples. Here you'll be able to study and best prepare you for that examination. If this was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and best of luck to you. Doubles, triples. You should check the height of the trailer before connecting a converter dolly to a second or third trailer. The trailer height is right when the trailer will be raised slightly when the converter dolly is back under it. The best way to stop all skids is to restore traction to the tires. When does the driver's manual advise is connecting the steering axle brakes to help keep the rig straight? Never. When driving with more than one trailer, which trailer should be the first one behind the tractor? The heaviest trailer. Driving a truck with double or triple trailers requires a driver to do both things, allow for following distance than for smaller vehicles, and use special care in bad weather and mountain conditions. Which of these results in the best control on curves? Slowing to a safe speed before entering the curve, then accelerate slightly during the curve. You are driving a 100-inch vehicle with double trailers at 30 miles per hour. The road is dry and visibility is good. You should keep at least seconds of space ahead of you. 10 seconds. You're driving with double trailers and you must use your brakes to avoid a crash. For emergency braking, you should use controlled or stepped braking. You're doing a walk-around inspection of a double or triple trailer rig. You should be sure the converter dolly air tank drain valves are, and the pencil hook is closed, latched. A converter dolly is a coupling device that connects a semi-trailer to the rear of a tractor trailer. If a converter dolly has spring brakes, you release the brakes by using the dolly's parking brake control. You have connected the converter dolly to the front semi-trailer and then connected the rear semi-trailer to the converter dolly. How should you test the coupling? Pull against the rear semi-trailer's pin. To test the tractor protection valve, charge the trailer air brake system. Turn off the engine and step on and off the brake pedal several times. If your landing gear is power operated, you should check for during your walk-around inspection leaks of air or hydraulic fluid. Coupling a triple trailer is different from coupling other combinations because you couple the third trailer to the second trailer before you couple them to the first trailer. The tractor protection valve is designed to close automatically when the air pressure falls into the pressure range specified by the manufacturer, typically 20 to 45 psi. In order, the 4 steps to test your trailer's surface brakes are as follows. Check for normal air pressure. Release the parking brakes. Pull forward slowly. Apply the trailer brakes using the hand control if so equipped. If your test of the tractor protection valve is successful, the tractor protection valve control, trailer air supply control will pop out or go from normal to emergency. To uncouple the rear trailer, the first thing you should do is park the vehicle in a straight line on firm, level ground. A converter dolly with anti-lock brakes ABS is required to have a white lamp on the left side. You are driving a 100-foot twin trailer combination at 50 miles per hour. The road is dry and visibility is good. You should keep at least seconds of space ahead of you. 11 seconds of space ahead of you. Some large trucks have convex or spot mirrors. Make things look smaller and farther away than they really are. Which of these statements about managing space to the sides is true? You should avoid traveling next to others when possible. Which of these statements about handling of doubles and triples is true? A sudden movement with the steering wheel can result in a tripled over rear trailer. When should you check your mirrors while making a lane change? All of these answers are correct. After signaling the change, right after starting the lane change, and after completing the lane change. Before you can supply air to the air tanks of a second trailer, you need to open the shut-off valves at the rear of the first trailer and close the shut-off valves at the rear of the second trailer. If you must drive through deep puddles or flowing water, which of these should you not do? Gently pressing the brake pedal while driving through the water. During an inspection of a double or triple combination, check the usual things for any combination vehicle and check the shut-off valves, the converter dolly or dollies, and the air brakes on all trailers. When you pull 2 or 3 trailers, you should look further ahead because the vehicle is more likely to roll over or jackknife. If you want to couple a second trailer to your combination vehicle, secure it by using either answer can be correct: the trailer spring brakes and emergency air brakes and wheel shocks. Which of these statements about quick steering movements and doubles, triples is true? Doubles, triples flip over from quick steering movement easier than any other vehicle. The best way to keep brakes from overheating while going down a steep grade is to go 5 miles per hour below your safe speed. Converter dollies. Often do not have spring brakes. You are driving a set of doubles, and a set of trailer wheels goes into a skid. Which of these is most likely to occur? A trailer jackknife. Anti-lock brakes, ABS, have been required on all converter dollies built since March 1998. Why must you inspect your double or triple combination vehicle more extensively than a vehicle with only one such semi-trailer? There are more critical parts to check. Which of these statements about seeing ahead is true? All answers are correct. At highway speed, you should look up to 1/4 mile ahead of your truck. Good drivers shift their attention back and forth, near and far. Many drivers do not look far enough ahead of their trucks. The crack the whip affects trucks with trailers. Which of the following is most likely to tip over? The rear trailer of a triple. A converter dolly consists of a wheel and axles, fifth wheel and 1 or 2 axles. The first step in uncoupling a converter dolly is to lower its landing gear. How can you be sure you supplied air to the second trailer? Go to the rear of the second trailer and open the emergency line shutoff. If a converter dolly is still under the second trailer and you unlock the pintle hook, what will probably happen? The dolly tow bar may fly up. You're visually checking the coupling of a converter dolly to the rear trailer. How much space should be between the upper and lower fifth wheel? None. When you uncouple twin trailers, the last step is to slowly pull clear of the converter dolly. Converter dollies sometimes do not have anti-lock brakes. You want to hook your combination to a second trailer that has no spring brakes. To do this without wheel shocks, you should supply air to the trailer air system with the tractor and then disconnect the emergency line. Empty trucks may have poor traction due to bouncing and wheel lockup. When parking your double or triple combination, you should look for a parking space. That you can pull straight through. With the hand valve on, you should test the trailer brakes by opening the service line valve at the rear of the rig. When you do this, you should hear air escapes from the open valve. Double and triple combination vehicles are stable than other types of commercial vehicles. Less stable. You're driving a 100-foot twin trailer, combination at 50 miles per hour. The road is dry and visibility is good. You should keep at least seconds of space ahead of you. 11 seconds of space. Which of this is not a good thing to do when driving on slippery roads? Use the engine brake or speed retarder. Which of these will result in the best control on curves? Slowing to a safe speed before entering the curve, then accelerate slightly during the curve. You're driving with a double trailers and must use your brakes to avoid a crash. For emergency braking, you should use controlled or step braking. You are doing a walk-around inspection of a double or triple trailer rig. You should be sure the converter dolly air tank drain valves are and the pintle hook is. Valves are open and the pintle hook is latched. During an inspection of a double or triple combination, check the usual things for any combination vehicle and check the shut-off valves, the converter dolly or dollies, and the air brakes on all trailers. You have connected the converter dolly to the front semi-trailer and then connected the rear semi-trailer to the converter dolly. How should you test the coupling? Pull against the rear semi-trailer's pin. The first step in uncoupling a converter dolly is to lower its landing gear. Why must you inspect your double or triple combination vehicle more extensively than a vehicle with only one such semi-trailer? They are more critical parts to check.